I live here. I live here.
We're on an easement right now. You're interrupting my investigation. I need you to step back inside the fence right now for officer safety reasons, okay? And more than welcome to observe from inside there.
Yeah, you're blind. You're intentionally obscuring my camera with your light. I can tell what you're doing.
He's doing a great job.
Yeah, but he's on my property. I'm trying to figure out why he's here.
Right now, sir.
More witnesses.
You do not need to drive your vehicle at me while I'm doing the test right now.
This is where he parks every day. You're kind of intruding on our life here, sir. Thank you. You know, fascists just being fascists. I called them for a fucking noise complaint, and he pulled somebody over right in front of the house.
Yeah, dude, it's Mexicans. They have that shit there, they have that shit there, and they have that shit over there.
Yeah, that's nice.
No complaints.
They gotta live by the rules like the rest of us.
Now I gotta be careful because I might get shit tomorrow on the way to work.
Got the whole thing on tape, dude. So I called a noise complaint about a half hour ago because there's a mariachi band just blasting. It's 11 o'clock. And instead of going and dealing with the noise complaint, they come over here, they pull somebody over right in front of my house, harass me for videotaping them, and look they're pointing at me, they're talking about me. You're gonna come over and try and arrest me. Fucking fascists. Giving this motherfucker his Miranda rights. They didn't do damn diddly dick, did they?
Get the fuck out of here, bro. As a matter of fact, you stepped in my yard, which is private property. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, but you know what? It's after 10, and you're doing a noise problem, man.
Where do you live?
Hey, go play video games.
I'm right over here.
Where's over here?
Yeah, fuck off. It doesn't matter where.
Where's over
I
here?
live here. Tell him to stop the music.
down.
We're calling the cops.
Look, this is not
You don't want the cops, right?
Call the cops, mijo. Call
Okay.
the cops. It's okay. Call the
I
cops.
already did.
Okay,
Oh,
that's
call
good.
him.
We'll wait for
Call
them.
him. Don't be coming to my house, motherfucker.
Because if anything, you're on camera. They're the cops.
I got you on camera threatening me already. Thank you. Thank you for the evidence.